In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive signed documents in DocuSign. By the end, you'll have a clean, dedicated place to store fully executed agreements so they're easy to find later and kept separate from day-to-day work. This is especially helpful for compliance, audits, or simply keeping your workflow organized. Start by signing in to your DocuSign account and heading to the Agreements area. This is your command center for anything you've sent or received. To focus on finalized paperwork, switch the view to Completed. The Completed filter shows envelopes that have gone through every required signature and are locked in, which is exactly what you want to archive. If your list looks empty, double-check that you're in the correct account or you've selected the right filter. Next, choose the agreement or agreements you want to archive. Select them so they're highlighted, which lets DocuSign know which items you're about to organize. You can do this one at a time or select multiple, depending on how many you want to move. With your items selected, look for the Move option. Move doesn't delete or change the document status. It simply places your items into a folder for better organization. If you don't already have an archive folder, you'll create one now. Select New Folder and give it a clear name. Type Archive. Keeping the name simple makes it obvious to you and your team what belongs there. If your organization prefers structure, consider adding a suffix like a year or quarter later on, but for now, Archive is perfect. Confirm by choosing Create and Move. DocuSign will make the new folder and immediately relocate your selected completed agreements into it, so you don't have to do this in two separate steps. To verify everything landed where it should, open the navigation and choose Show More to reveal additional options. Head into Folders, where you'll see the list of folders available in your account. Select Archive, and you'll find all the documents you just moved. This view acts like a tidy filing cabinet drawer, letting you scan, sort, and retrieve signed documents without digging through your active queue. A quick tip: only completed items belong here. Drafts or in-progress envelopes are still working documents and should remain in their regular views. Also, remember that moving items into a folder doesn't change permissions. People who could view the envelopes before can still view them now. That's it. You've created a consistent place to store signed agreements and verified that your files are exactly where you expect them to be.